Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is the Chirp Wheel Ultimate Back and Neck Bundle. So once it arrives, it's going to come in this nice little case here that zips shut and has a little handle so it's easy to carry around. And then as you can see here, all the wheels fit in here perfect. It comes with 4 wheels and a back posture kind of brake. So first off, we'll cover that. So super easy to put this on. It goes on the center of your back. And ideally what this is doing is it's supposed to kind of give you those cues to sit up straight and adjust your posture. It does have little straps here so you can adjust it so it is comfortable to wear. And it's kind of a breathable fabric, and it has some cushion support on the back. Now the main thing are the wheels themselves. So let's go over each wheel. So first off, you're going to have the 12-inch wheel. This is the most gentle wheel. If you are starting off using Chirp wheels and you've never used them before, I highly recommend starting with the 12-inch because as the wheels get smaller, they get more intense in kind of working those knots in muscles. So as you can see, it has a nice thick kind of more rubber foam cover on the outside. This is about a ½ an inch thick. It's also, the way it is, it's designed so it's not going to, you're not going to slide if you get all sweaty or anything like that. So whether you're using this with your shirt on or without your shirt on, it's also very, very comfortable. And then your spine is going to go right here in this little groove in the middle, which is once again leads to that comfort as you are rolling down your spine and working those knots. Now, this is actually nice and wide here. To give you an idea, the roller itself is approximately 5 inches wide. And it's also designed, it can hold up to 500 pounds. And that's for the case for each wheel. Each wheel is also made of 100% PVC free. Now, the next wheel up is the 10-inch wheel. Now, this is the wheel designed for more firm pressure. I kind of find if you kind of have a sore back, then maybe you're using the larger one, then you kind of graduate to this wheel because basically it's doing the same thing. It's just providing more of a deeper, intense way to break up those knots. You may experience kind of your back will like pop as it's working down those spinal cords too. So that is part of the process. Now after that, you're going to get the 6-inch wheel, and now you're getting more into the specialized wheel. So this is the deep tissue wheel. So if you really have an area that you want to work intensely, that's what this guy is designed for. It's like I said, as you get smaller, the pressure, it gets more and it gets more intense. So this is designed to really get in there and work those muscles and knots. And then finally, you are going to have the focus wheel, which is the 4-inch wheel. So this is great. It's kind of more designed for your neck. So you just sit there and you kind of rest your neck there, and it helps stretch out those kind of muscles in your spine. Also, it's also great for rubbing it along your calves if you have any sore muscles from working out and whatnot. It's more, once again, designed for you to focus on certain areas on your body. But overall, if you are in the market for something to help stretch and break up those tight knots, I highly recommend the Chirp wheel. I love the fact that they have the different wheel sizes, so you can find one that fits for you, or like this, you get the bundle and you get them all, and you can use them for various days and whatever you feel like in the mood. For all those reasons, I do highly, highly recommend it. If there is something that I didn't cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.